Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with my cousin.
I am come again to this video.
And I'm going to be showing you his capability, which is he can make different sounds of animals. So I'm going to be, hearing his animal sounds. So the first animal sound you can make is a cat.
Meow, meow.
Have you ever pet a cat?
No.
Do you own a cat? Do you have a cat in home?
No.
Would you like to? Would you like to have one?
No.
No. Okay then. And what is the sound of a dog?
How?
Okay, that sounds like a dangerous dog there. But would you like to have a dog?
No.
Would you like to pet a dog?
No.
Okay then. And can you make the sound of a goat?
Goat.
Interesting. That's an interesting sound, by the way. Okay, and a cow.
Cow. Ba.
Okay. What about a tiger? Yeah, that sounds dangerous. I would never go to that tiger if I met in real life. Okay. Do you like tigers?
Yes.
Yeah, he would become a part of that. Okay. What about a fox?
Fox. Ow! 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 Ow!
Cool. And a crow.
Huh?
Crow.
Gra! Gra!
Well, he's part of them. Okay. What about an owl? An owl.
Ow! An owl. Oh! 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 Oh!
Have you ever seen one in real life?
Yes.
Where?
A picture book.
A picture. I should have asked you in real life, but okay. What about a snake? Are you scared of them? The question is.
No.
I bet so. Okay. How does a duck sound like?
Quack! 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 Quack!
Was that an adult duck or a baby duck?
Adult.
Okay. What about a hen?
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
He must be it must be your best friend. And last question is, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is catty.
Catty? But you said you would never pet him. That's me.
I don't have any kitty, but I like cats.
You like cats. And then, do you have any other favorites?
No.
No? It's sad.
One thing,
Okay.
it is horse babies.
Horse babies? That sounded cool. Horse babies. Okay.
That horse baby's name is false.
Is false? I think you got it from school.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm proud of you. But thank you for making all those animal sounds. I will never forget those sounds. It was amazing.